Hello, it's Natasha Bailey from Soul Mission. So I decided to shoot this video today on election night before all the madness kicks off tomorrow with the results. And I wanted to talk about this possibility. The possibility of the end of polarity politics. What do I mean by that? Well, polarity means a spectrum of politics. And we've been going through pendulum swings, left, right, for a very, very long time. And I myself, I've been on the left spectrum, on the right spectrum, and in the middle spectrum. And each time I chose a part of that spectrum, I thought I had found the ultimate solution, the perfect answer, the right ideology for me to put my faith in. And every time I did that, there would be some kind of circumstance or situation where that particular ideology, it still didn't provide the whole answer, the whole solution to whatever scenario was being debated at the time, whether it was NHS or economics or the welfare state, whatever the situation was. And I've realized that actually it's time. We have come to the point where we realize that it doesn't matter who gets in tomorrow or which party gets in tomorrow. They will not have all the answers either. And I want us to consider that actually maybe we should consider the end of polarity politics and go towards unity consciousness politics. What do I mean by that? I mean, let us consider the possibility that actually the best answers we can find to our societal problems and the way to run our country is by taking the best bits of each party and being able to apply them flexibly to communities or individuals according to their needs. So once we realize that actually one size does not fit all, one ideology does not fit all, then we can start to address our human issues, our human collective issues in a more flexible manner, according to the needs of the community, according to the needs of the individuals or the groups. So actually, I'd like to consider that today, with this full moon in Gemini on this 12-12-12 portal, that we are now embracing unity conscious politics. And we will begin to see that dawning realization that the best way to solve our problems is as one unified group with diversity within it, but as one group towards providing human need and providing for the growth of human development and abundance. And this is what I truly wish for as an outcome of tonight's election, that this realization will become apparent. And if this is what you truly want for our community, our country, our world, I invite you to embrace the diversity within our one human family and envision the manifestation of a society where we can live with all our differences together and create something amazing and beautiful in this country. So this is my wish and joy for all of you tonight, voting or otherwise. I truly believe when we hold that desire and consciousness in our energy field, we will create it. So where you feel devices towards a party or overly attached to a party, I invite you to consider the possibility that each of them has something to contribute, and aim towards a unity consciousness in politics. So as someone who was born and brought up in Denmark, I have grown up with multi-party politics, where groups or clusters of parties have come together to create policies. And I have to say, Denmark has, if not the highest standard of living, but one of the highest standard of living in the world, and also the happiest citizens of the world. We also have the least amount of poverty out of all the countries, and a very little differences between the upper hierarchies and the lower hierarchies. So I want us to start considering the possibility that working together in groups of parties might be a way forward. So all you lovely people waiting for the results to come in, don't worry, whoever gets in tomorrow won't be perfect either. This is just one step on our way towards unity conscious politics. My blessings and love to you all. Bye for now.